guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw in the cover, we are gonna review H&M products. I literally purchased a lot and I thought I might use everything in front of camera and review guys honestly. So I did not even open any of this. I did not go to the store and try it on. I just did an online purchase. So I have no idea how this is gonna be. Let's just do a full face makeup with H&M Beauty. I ordered a bunch of stuff and the first one is the Satin Iconic lipstick in the shade Thanks a Latte, and I also got a matte lipstick in the shade Old Flame. Before purchasing, I saw a lot of bunch of mixed review online and everybody said that the blush is really good. So let's just start with the blush. I got Teddy Matte Do It All blush. So apparently you can just use it on your lips, eyes, cheek, everywhere. The packaging is so good. I kind of like the light pink and the red writings on it, which is giving very bougie vibe. The color is so good. The glaze on top is making me not try it on. I got a darker blush because since it's fall season right now, so this would be better. The pigmentation is so good. Let's apply more. I definitely think it blends well. Let's just try this on our lips. I don't think so it's gonna be good. I knew it. Maybe with lip liner it would look good. This color is not for me. Since I have pigmented lips, it's not that pretty. But for blush, I think this really did a good job. Let's just try it on our eyelids as well. It gives a natural look, which I kind of like. I think I would give this a 8 out of 10 just for the color, and it did not match my lips, so I'm just going to give it 8 out of 10. Next we have Shimmer Beach Glow Do It All stick. I think the consistency is gonna be the same like the blush. So this is how it looks. I kind of like the packaging. I would give a 10 on 10 for the packaging because it's just so good, and this is how it looks. I think I applied a lot. Gives a very subtle glow. It kind of glides on your skin. At the same time, I don't think so it'll be a long lasting one because I think after 10 minutes it's gonna vanish, and since my skin is oily skin, I don't think so this is gonna be good to my skin. But it still looks good at the moment. Let's just try it on our nose as well. Honestly, I like the way it blends. It's just very easy to blend, and I think it looks good as well. But I don't think so it's gonna be long lasting. It's just my feeling. So I would give this a solid 7.5 out of 10. Let's just try the lipstick. No, wait. Let's do eyeshadow first. This is Make It Easy eyeshadow pen, waterproof and long wear, and in the shade Copper Heart. I've never used an eyeshadow pen before, so this is gonna be interesting. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm putting a lipstick on my eyelids. The pigmentation is very less, and I don't think so there's much difference, and it doesn't look like an eyeshadow. It is definitely easy to use, but I think it's more like a lipstick to me than an eyeshadow. But I expected a lot of pigment in this product. Maybe if I choose a different color, it would look good. I just don't know. I just feel it's a 5 out of 10 for me. Next, I have a Dipliner Ink, which is liquid eyeliner. It is again waterproof and long wear. I don't really use much of a black eyeliner, but I'm just gonna try it out. This is how it looks. I definitely like it. I think the pigmentation is really good and it was very easy to apply as well. So I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. Next, let's go with Glow Pro Highlighter Loose Highlighter Powder for multi-purpose use. This is in the shade Perfection. The packaging is so good. It gives Y2K vibes. The powder is so fine. Oh my god, it's very hard to blend with your hands. I'll use a brush. Oh my god, I think it looks good, but it's very hard to use. Let me try it in my inner corner of my eyes. I think this is very hard to use for me. I've used a lot of highlighter, but this is kind of tricky and the work is good here. But I think the usage part, because of that, I would give this a 6 out of 10. And it's too white. I don't like white highlighter. I thought it will give a very different feel. Let's try the Satin Icon Satin Lip Color, the shade of Thanks a Latte. The lipstick is very heavy and it's red in color. It feels really good. It's magnetic as well, and I think that's why it was heavy. The blush on the lips is really like washing my face off. It doesn't look good. Let's try how this looks. Texture is really creamy. Since I have a pigmented lips, I don't think so the color is catching on, and this one washes my face out as well. I think you can use this for a no makeup look. Let me just try it on with a lip liner. I think with the lip liner it really looks very good. I loved it. I like the way it feels on my lips. It's very light. At the same time, it like moistures my lips, which is so good. And you can use this for like everyday use. I would give this for the packaging and for the way it smells and for the color, for the pigment, for the consistency. I would definitely give this 9.5 out of 10. It really is good and I'm very excited to try all other colors as well. Let's try this Matte for Matte Liquid Matte Lipstick next. I'm not a huge fan of matte lipstick, but I tend to get a lot of matte lipstick and then use a gloss on top of it. This is how it looks. The product is literally till here only. It's like half empty. Anyways, let's just try it on. Let's take this off first. I'm gonna use it without the lip liner. This color is definitely not for me. And it dries my lips. The satin one was more moisturizing, but this covers my pigmentation, so I don't know if I like it. Maybe it's the color. I don't know. Let's just put the lip liner on top of it. Maybe with the lip liner I can pull this off, but I don't think so. I like the matte one. I like the satin one better. So for this I would give a 7 out of 10 just because it dries my lips so fast. I think the color is very pigmented, and maybe if I use another color it would look very good on me. So yes, finally we used all the product, and I think blush and the lipstick is my favorite, and then maybe eyeliner. Since I don't use black eyeliner much, let me see if they have a brown one. No, they just have a black one. They don't have a brown eyeliner. I think if they bring a brown eyeliner, it would be so good since I am a brown eyeliner person. But I'm not complaining. I think for this price, I think H&M did a great job, especially with the packaging, because packaging is like so good. And I think overall I would say it was 8 out of 10. So yes, I think it was a very quick and short video, but I just really wanted to show you guys how H&M makeup is, because there's no much reviews in India yet. So I hope this video was very helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in another video. Bye.